Can surrogacy be opted by all women for social indications like they cannot carry a pregnancy or they don't want to carry a pregnancy? Like celebrities and models are advertising it like anybody can do surrogacy. But the answer is no. Surrogacy in India is strictly regulated by law and it's indicated for women only for medical indications, like for women who do not have a uterus surgically removed for some reasons, the women that do not have a uterus congenitally from birth, for women that have severe medical indications, they cannot carry a pregnancy like severe uncontrolled diabetes, severe uncontrolled autoimmune diseases, renal disease or severe cardiac disease after so many implantation failures in IVF. So these are the strict indications that a woman can opt for surrogacy. So many such queries, you can follow us, we'll surely answer your queries. Thank you.
Haga aku praterik rempang arajar arpun rio. Usumbut Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau wa kemiru ektenat korbari Kejelau ba Preston Tensong. Ulai keseliut ikin huan kibele shimbentah kejingat pariet kebakentuk belang ya kiksau jugi pulet rengkat bat ki handler eno hikai. Kum kejing pediang ya ki syaka kampulet. Kum kadak jong kejing buram ya ki artli kiksau pulet kebela syong tat no nakakam. Uba Preston Tensong ula pendeng da kita kemai kini kiksau rengkat kejing dan langga Director General ki pulet ikong ai nongrang ki he officer pulit pat ki bagi bai ka K9 unit kelapen iru ekasap pada kejing tebet juga ni so ki beliau jing kai ha kebanwat ki tiar pen betai kejing burie ya kejing di ki bebean babne kun bat ki rusmi lalor kaniu sembut Menteri Rangba ulah plat ru ik artli ki kali jang ka K9 unit habakran kejing yalang ba Preston Tensong ulong ba menshwa la sedang ya ka K9 unit da kejing dan tang nyau teli ki so pulit ndre mentak ladon lai pun nyau teli. Ulai ru kejingero eka K9 unit alo kejing seiso ha kabaki lalap ya kitiar pen betai ha kibala buri ha East Garo Hills, South Garo Hills, but West Garo Hills. Ban lat ni kinu kejing jai besnosi. Bada kesnam arhajar arpulai ha ke distrik Ribhoi layok ben kurup yu drugs heroin wasongdor san kelur tengka. Bad menta kesnam layok kurup henrius pak kendai puwei poin san sau gram na Shillong. Ulero ru ya kinong kmi ikini kiksau na ki handler na marba tang baki ya lang ki imbat ring mensiem lang haga kam jengki. Bahula ai kublai kiksau pulet ki bala syong that na nakakam bat pediang subhapat kiksau pulet ki bala rung temai haga K9 unit man ai jing syakriya Kejelah.
together for a ceremony that is unique in its spirit. We are here to witness the passing of the baton, to honor the silent heroes who are retiring after years of selfless service, and to welcome the new K9 recruits who will carry their legacy forward. Since its inception in 1975 under the CID wing, the Mera Police K9 unit has been an indispensable pillar of our security architecture. For 5 decades, the K9 units and the handlers have been our first line of defense against the invisible, the hidden sin of narcotics, the cold threat of explosives, and the trail of those who seek to evade justice. In recent years, the unit has recorded notable successes across multiple districts, thereby safeguarding life and maintaining public order. On explosive in the rough terrains of East Garo Hills, South Garo Hills and West Garo Hills, or K9 teams have sniffed out danger in highly sensitive zones. Every detection was a tragedy averted and a life protected. On narcotics, our fight against drugs menace has been bolstered by the sharp senses of this unit. From the significant breakthrough in Rivoy in 2023, seizing heroin worth ₹5 crores, to the recent recovery of 691.54 grams in Shillong just this year, the K9 units have proven that no concealment is clever enough to bypass their vigilance.
Watch how the decoy agitates the assault dog. K9 liquor and K9 cargo are now being released towards the decoy. These K9s are trained to control attack and suspect apprehension during high-risk operations. Upon command, they can pursue and neutralize an armed suspect while remaining under strict handler control.